Hi guys. Once again welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Nifty in 5 minutes chart. We have opened slight gap up. There was some correction in early hours of trading. Then market has retraced from our support levels. Nifty closed positive by 8 points. Now let's check Banknifty in 5 minutes chart. Open good gap up but not sustained. And we seen good sell off. And retraces from our support levels. After forming double top we have see again a good sell off. Again it has retraced from key support levels. Then Banknifty closes near support levels. Closed in red with 78 points. Now let's begins the open interest analysis. Will follow by FII. In options put side. There were holding 2.99 locks contracts, now there have add 1.33 locks contracts, so there have 4.32 locks contracts at put side. At call side there were holding 1.64 locks contracts, now there have add 1.10 locks contracts, so there have 2.74 locks contract in call side. Option data is showing negativeness. Futures FII have reduced 3% long and increased 3% shorts, so there have 66% long and 34% short. Futures positions is still positive. In cash market FII purchased from 1088 crores. Conclusion of FII there hedge their positions in F&O and going long in cash market. Now we'll check for client. There are also known as retailers. In options put side. There were holding 3.63 locks contracts, now there have add 2.10 locks contracts, so there have 5.73 locks contracts at put side. At call side there were holding 70,000 contracts, now there have made a fresh call reading contracts of 1.12 locks contracts. Option data is showing positivity. Futures retailers have increased 1% long and reduced 1% shorts, so there have 46% long and 54% short. Futures positions is neutral. In cash market retailers are sold for 512 crores. Conclusion of retailers there have no direction view. Now we'll check for promoters. In options put side. There were holding 9,000 contracts, now there have add 78,000 contracts, so there have 87,000 contracts at put side. At call side there were holding 2.34 locks contracts, now there have add 73,000 contracts, so there have 1.61 locks contract in call side. Option data is showing negativeness. Futures Pro have made no changes, so there have 39% long and 61% short. Futures positions is still negative. In cash market Pro purchased for 516 crores. Conclusion of pro traders there hedge their positions in F&O and going long in cash market. Now we'll check DI cash flow. DI sold for 333 crore, so the cash flow was 759 crores positive value. Now we'll check put call ratio. Nifty for this week is 0.68 and Banknifty for this week is 0.74. Both neutral to positive. For month-end Nifty is at 1.48 and Banknifty is at 1.35, super positive for August month-end. Now let's check price action. Nasdaq trading positive by 92 points. Dow trading positive by 63 points. India VIX at 10.2 crashed 12% today. Nifty in 1-day time frame. As per the price action it has to take the support and retrace from here or at least consolidate at this levels. Banknifty in 1-day time frame. As per the price action it has to take the support and retrace from here or at least consolidate at this levels. Now mark the algo points in cash market. Nifty first support at 19,620 and first resistance at 19,735. Banknifty first support at 45,595 and first resistance at 46,125. So as per the open interest analysis, data is neutral to negative. Consolidation to some fall is expected. We can get intraday trades only for scalping. Buy on dip and sell on rise. That's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.